Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Boone County and north central Illinois, Ogle County and north central Illinois, Winnebago County and north central Illinois until 10:45 a.m. At 9:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Glarus to near Maspach to Toronto, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts.
Ooh.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Forest at around 10:10 a.m. Pecatonic at around 10:20 a.m. Byron and Winnebago around 10:25 a.m. Stillman Valley around 10:30 a.m. Rockford Airport around 10:35 a.m. Cherry Valley around 10:40 a.m. Belvedere around 10:45 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include New Milford, Adeline, Davis Junction, and Leaf River, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 112 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2, and between mile markers 57 and 76. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Morgan State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, Rockford River Hawks Baseball, Rockford Speedway, White Pine State Park, and Winnebago County Fairgrounds. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning